You enchanted me from the first time we met. There wasn't a moment with you that I really regret. I know right away you're a gift to me. Now I live outside of reality. Every morning I look forward to see you again. Every second I think about how our relationship began. I'm not able to do my work properly and consciously. Everything I said, my mind seems to vanish, obviously. I can't concentrate, my thoughts revolve just on you. I'm always with you, no matter what I do. It doesn't stop, it happens day after day. Like running water, all my plans rush away. What should I do? You're always circling in my head and wreaking havoc there even when I'm in bed. I cannot fixate on anything all day long. I don't know anymore what's right and what is wrong. What should happen in the long run, I just don't know. I feel dependency that I really don't want to show. I forget my obligations, my appointments and the time. I'm no longer able to think clearly and to combine. I can't concentrate, my thoughts revolve just on you. I'm always with you, no matter what I do. It doesn't stop, it happens day after day. Like running water, all my plans rush away. 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 Like running water, all my plans rush away.